Hello dear children, welcome you all here. Today I am doing one activity to explain you the topic of friction, that how the friction, we say that what is friction? Friction is the opposing force. Whenever two surfaces are in contact with each other, then there must be an opposing force which always tries to stop the moving object. This is friction. It is an opposing force, self-adjusting force, right? Then we discussed about the cause of friction, that is irregularities, and the factors on which depends. The one of the factor is the roughness of the surface. So how it depends upon the roughness of the surface? More roughness, more friction; less roughness, less friction. Today I am going to explain with the help of a small activity. So this is called spring balance, which you might have seen or in the NCERT book. So this spring balance is used to measure force. You can see here there is mentioned N. N means Newton. G means gram. So Newton is mentioned, so that means it's measuring force. And I am having one box, cube box, anything you can take. And then I am using one sandpaper, right, as a rough surface. And here is glass on my table, which will act as the smooth surface. So when I will keep that box over that rough surface, and this is my spring balance. So before using any physical device, you must check the zero error. Okay, already there is any value. अगर कोई value नहीं है, तो that means it's at zero. That means it's okay. No need to verify. No need to deduct anything. Now what I am doing, I am just trying to pull that box, and then you will observe this reading. When I am pulling that box, so you can see I am not able to pull, still not able to pull. The rough surface, that is the sandpaper, is moving, but it's not. So now I am holding this sandpaper and I am trying to pull it. Now and now. So see the value of force. Value of force is, you can see, 3 Newton. 3 Newton is the force which is required to pull that box on the rough surface, and rough surface is sandpaper. Now I am removing this sandpaper and keeping that box over the glass, simply directly on the glass. Now I will observe again. When I will just pull it, so now see the object starts moving, and the value of the force is only 1 Newton. Only 1 Newton. You can see here only 1 Newton. I can easily pull that box. Again I am doing, this is the sandpaper. I am putting that box, trying to pull this, not pulling, then approximately 3 Newton force is required to move that box. Whereas if I use the glass and then I pull it, only 1 Newton force is required to simply pull that box. So why does this happen? Because this sandpaper is having the rough surface, more roughness, more irregularities. That's why it's difficult to move that object over that surface, because friction is more. Whereas if I talk about glass surface is very smooth, there is very less irregularities. That's why it requires very less force to move an object over the smooth surface, because friction is less on the smooth surface. So what does it shows? It shows that friction depends upon the roughness of the surface. More roughness, more friction; less roughness, less friction. Thank you so much, children. I hope you enjoyed that activity and you understand the concern about that topic. Thank you so much.